Welcome to a new video. This video Excel sheet. This Excel sheet is any word search found list box. Okay, this is any word search list box. This list box search any word. Put one text box. List box. Okay, one list box. One text box. One command button. Okay, form color is you can change. Okay, list box one. Text box one. Command button. Okay, command button plus dim a x I l as integer. Okay, okay, this l is text box how many digit. Okay, copy l samam len len text box. Okay, we check messages msg box l now msg box 0. Oh, 5 digit. How many digit here? 1 2 3 4. This is a 4 digit. 0 digit. Okay, how many digit l length? Okay, understand? Okay, one declaration is here f, no problem. F. Okay, now dim test is as yes yes as str. Okay, stream this t samum samum test box. Okay, check in t. Okay, okay, test box t test. This we are t right. Look how many t. Okay, l. Okay, how many digit is 7 digit. Okay, length test length here symbol. Okay, we now test now yes 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 zamam yes equal sheet sheet 1 zel cell yeah specific 3 and 1 yeah 4. Okay, now 3 is this. Okay, 3 3 this is yeah 1 adjustable variable. Okay, now 3 is this solvent star bond. Okay, 3. Okay, now solvent star bond. Now yes, what is yes? Check yes the this yes working. Check. Okay, so the star bond solvent. Understand? This 3. Okay, this star solvent star bond normal. Okay, now this is T x samam mm, samam okay x how many length. Okay, how many length of the sheet 1. Check, okay? Check. Now this how many length, okay? 25 length, this digital, 25 digital, this, okay? Now, now ratings code, okay? Code this list box, okay? List box clear, okay? Now we code for, yeah, this is yeah digit, okay? Samam I. Next, yeah, okay? This is loop I. What is I? I we set in say I samam sheet 1 range, yeah, 0 and at last row XLP row. Last row up row, okay? I message I, okay? Where I check I, okay? This I check. What is I? Okay, checking. I say this is last number, okay? For I, okay, this is why now this I message box I, okay? This I see it is I, okay? By checking I. Last field this number, okay? This number, okay? 129 number. When check, okay? Okay? This number. At the last this row up number 129. 129, okay? Note that's not your problem, okay? Now I, okay? This I. Now for I is 1, 2, okay? 1, 2 last, okay? This is one code. This code I will change this all. We are, okay? Okay. Understand? Say we change here for and okay, this is a loop into how many data of the sheet here. Okay, now one loop into how many letter of the one cell. Okay, for this cell x. Okay, how many sheet is the length of cell x. Okay, x samam, okay, 1, okay, 2 x. Okay, this here x. Now f, this is f. Okay, f, yeah, f, f loop into how many sheet length, this length. Yeah. Next f. Okay. This is sheet. You change it here. This here. Yeah. This here. Okay. Okay. This here. Okay. This here I need to yeah. If all the sheet 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a yeah. Continue to this full check in this. Okay. I'll come here. Yeah. Now we this code only, one code only. If this is a test box, okay, this text box test this T one code is a letter okay this test Okay. Okay. This is first we this is rate first. This is sheet row number go to here and yeah loop into this sheet full number. Yeah. This test. Now if test box test t. Okay. This test box text says okay equal mid. Mid is the so this yes sheet cell yes mid length start in f this f and long how many length is search t length okay test box how many length okay then then this rate x no x rate okay and after understand to explain okay this only code this code only check now check bend check be here okay check one mistake this is it okay list box okay here we are writing two list box added okay then list box added okay yes it's this x okay bend under okay do okay end okay end this small end is okay end bend bn okay not to come this is big letter small letter this is big letters and small letter this problem this problem solved okay this test okay StrConv convert upper unit any upper case no problem no upper case okay now this is sheet shell StrConv convert okay same this are opposite same two same so okay this text box converted a big letter any letter converted big letter and this sheet shell converted a big letter any letter to convert a big letter and search okay now any letter no problem this search we know star search star okay star okay any letter no problem. Star okay star any letter elbow okay elbow okay any letter no problem the b only one and the b okay all letter b now note 110 okay no okay no any letter no problem okay this elbow p trap pipe how many pipe check okay pipe if it's a very problem is the empty check when problem okay np very problem mm. Now okay now you check if this you this is one text box. No, I understand. This a T is what is T? Is check this text box out of T. Copy. Text box, okay? Well, and if okay. This is text box. Okay. You understand this writing, okay? This is a text box. Mid S is what is S? S is a str convert properties, okay? This okay. Okay, any line no problem. Elbow no problem. Okay. Now you write this is a good. If this is test length, test length is length L big to then. Okay, this is good. You write this good. Okay. If no, 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 no. Okay. The three letter no problem. Okay. Three letter no problem. Okay. Three letter no problem. Three, minimum three letter. Two letter not to come. Okay. Minimum three letter not to come. Okay. Minimum three letter. This is a good three letter is a compound. Okay. Three letter. Okay. Now this class finished today. Please like and subscribe and share your friends is learning. Okay. Thank you watching my video. This code put I put this code description. Okay. Okay. This code is you put and study. Thank you.